Hi, to clear browsing data on your POCO F6, as a first step, open browser you use. In my case, it is Google Chrome, and take a look at this upper panel. Here you need to tap on the three dots and go in the history. And now you can check all of your history. You can manually remove some of the websites you visited just by tapping this cross, and it's gone. Let's do it one more time, and it's gone too. And after that, you would see this option to clear browsing data. So let's tap here. Enable this browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. And here select the time range. So now there is setup last hour, and let's switch to the all time option. And after that, we will need to confirm that we are clearing the data by tapping this option. And now I got no history here. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.